This how to 1 minute will show you how to backup WordPress database. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins and click on add new. And here search for database backup for WordPress and install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, hover over on tools and click on backup. And here you have to select all of these options, and you can backup spam comments by checking this box. You can also backup exclude post revisions from here, and then select download and click on backup now. And it may take some time to complete the backup progress. And as you can see, I've successfully backup my WordPress website database. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.